Right, it just doesn't come any better. Are you looking for a Land Rover Defender 110 commercial? Well, this is irreplaceable in the market. It's the only one for sale here at Acklam Car Centre, like for like. And it's a D300 HSE X-Dynamic hardtop commercial on a 24. It was registered a couple of days ago and it's VAT qualifying prices plus the VAT. But check this out, it's an HSE. It's got an Obsidian conversion in Santorini Black. I'll talk you through the exterior styling shortly. But with a jump seat, with air suspension, with a detachable tow bar and HSE spec, this as a 300 horsepower is the best one for sale in the UK. And if you're interested, it'll sell very quickly. So get in touch. My number is on the screen. So exterior wise, let's look at this. It's got a conversion by a company called Obsidian. For me, the look of it, very much like the Urban, is fantastic. And could it be better than the Urbans that we sell? I think so. Lower valance, Obsidian badging, full X-Dynamic black styling package, the bulbous bonnet and wing inserts, arch extensions, 22-inch wheels. Now, it doesn't stop there because we've got the light pod, side steps, mud flaps, roof rails. It's a 110, so you've got loads of lockable space. Round the back, we've got darkened tail lights, Obsidian wheel cover, rear spoiler, detachable tow bar. Now, this is a new vehicle, so we don't need to talk about its condition, but really important interior features, the air suspension, the third seat in the front. This has got a jump seat, so being an HSE, it's fully loaded. So the exterior colour is going to sell it, the exterior styling is going to sell it, but then you get the extra bits. So from the exterior going in, keyless entry, darkened crossbeam. I mean, I love that in this. Dark headlining, so it's a fully black stealthed out car. Love the interior. 11.4-inch touchscreen, HSE spec. We've got heated and ventilated seats, Meridian sound, memory seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, Napa leather steering wheel, Napa leather dash, Napa leather seats, mud flaps. Then more and more we go on. We've got electric steering column, but you know, I'm sitting in this car and I'll pick out the bits that I like because I sell loads of these and we buy and sell lots of these. Darkened crossbeam in a car like this. It's a commercial, don't you forget, because you'll sit in this car and you'll forget that it actually is a commercial vehicle. Love the darkened crossbeam in the cab. I've mentioned this already. It's another important feature for me, the darkened headlining, because a lot of these commercials don't come with that. But freaking hell, I mean, look at this. So we've got the ClearSight Camera up here, the 11.4-inch touchscreen, air suspension, the jump seat. So remove these keys. We've got the third seat in the front, all finished in Napa leather, beautiful. We've got ventilated seats to the front, the outer two. We've got heated seats to the front, the outer two, of course. The big screen, the 360 camera, which as a Land Rover detachable tow bar, it gives you the third camera system with the towing camera. But we've got the 360 camera, the top view camera, the reversing camera, the 3D camera. It comes with wireless smartphone integration. It's just fantastic. You know, these cars don't grow on trees. One that looks like this with the HSE spec, X-Dynamic, Santorini Black, new registered VAT qualifying. It's an incredible vehicle. Back around the front, because I've turned them pod lights on. They're very bright, but you need to see it in its true format. Those are functional. They look good. They do everything. HSE giving you matrix lights, but just look at the way this car sits and looks. It's fantastic. It's on the website now, but it won't be for long. So give us a call. Thanks for watching.